Hello, today I'm reviewing a new kind of power bank, as they say. It's a power bank that can be attached to your key ring. It's the TAU2 from Rolling Square. As usual, I'm doing this in one take, no editing, no pausing the video. This is my first unboxing of the product. I bought this with my own money. This is not a sponsored review. I bought this for my EDC kit, and I would like to share it with you. So this is as genuine unboxing experience as it can be. So let's see. I'm very excited about this. This is the actual power bank. As you can see, it's in the charging station, which it attaches to magnetically. This is the size. You can see this relatively to my medium-sized palm. Magnetic base. You have two QR code stickers. I think you can set this up and stick them on the power bank, and if you lose the power bank, the person that scans the QR can contact you. Okay, so this is the power bank. Recyclable materials for packaging. This is the braided USB-C charging station with the magnetic port. The magnet, it's actually pretty strong. It's securely in place here. There's also what do they call it? Nano something surface you can use to stick the charging station to a wall or a flat surface. And product brochure. You can pause the video and see exactly what it says. The power bank itself, it's pretty light. And it has a lid on top that's not that easy to get off, and it features an attached USB-C and Lightning cables, so you don't have to carry additional cables with you. It has a 2000 milliamp hour capacity, so it will top off your phone. It's not used for full charging. It's an emergency power bank that gives you some extra juice for, I don't know, maybe you need to make a payment, finish your GPS navigation, or look up some numbers. It gives you about, I don't know, 20% of the battery, so you can use your phone. I'll have a full review on this, how much it takes to charge it, how much battery it gives to an iPhone, for example, or to an Android device, how much does it take to charge, and how is it to live with it every day. Okay, there are also some gestures. Double tap, I think it activates the battery. If you tap 4 times, you can charge it via the USB port of another power bank or from a laptop. You can also use it as a bridge. For example, you can connect it to a laptop that only has USB-C, and then you can, with the other charging cable, you can charge a lightning iPhone, enabled iPhone. Okay, let's see if it has some juice. So I have an Android Motorola here. Let's see if it comes with a... okay. It has... This is how it looks. You can definitely use your phone with a power bank attached. These cables are pretty thick, pretty secure, no problems here. It's a pretty nice EDC device, I have to say. It's a pretty nice EDC device. So this is the TAU from Rolling Square. If you have any questions or curiosities about it, if you would like me to test something about it, just leave a comment and I'll try to answer as fast as I can. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.